Okay, it's Jake's birthday. And we're trying out, what's the name of this product?
Splash out!
Splash out. Okay. Chuck, get in position. Okay, go, go. They're going to try to toss this as carefully as possible so they don't get smacked. Ooh, good job. Ah.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Don't make it flat! Oh my gosh! I'm going to flatten me. Flatten me. No, I'm not a ball.
Oh!
Good catch.
Watch it.
And there's a balloon in there?
Yeah. Water. Oh, water.
I think we need to, whoa. We need to consult the FAQ section and find out why the balloon's not splatting. Oh, okay, maybe it's going to happen now.
Hey, look, a balloon. We need to put that on AFB.
Let me see, let me see.
It's landing.
Oh, okay. It's out of position.
Whoa.
Oh! Dead. Dead egg.